Welcome to this technical guide on the HP AIO. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP AIO is running dead slow and takes forever to open anything, you're not alone. This frustrating symptom often occurs due to insufficient RAM or a failing hard drive. If left unchecked, your device may become completely unusable, leading to potential data loss and more costly repairs down the line. To get started with this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a new RAM module, and a solid-state drive or hard drive, depending on your choice of upgrade. First, ensure your HP AIO is powered off and unplugged. Carefully place the device on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the back panel, being cautious not to damage any clips. Now, locate the RAM slots. You should see one or two modules installed. If there's only one, you may want to consider adding another to boost performance. To extract the existing RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the module away from it. The RAM should pop up slightly, allowing you to pull it out. For the hard drive, locate its compartment, which is usually secured with additional screws. Remove these screws and disconnect the cables attached to the hard drive. You may need to gently wiggle the drive free from its slot. When replacing the hard drive, ensure that the new drive is securely connected before fastening it with the screws. Insert the new RAM by aligning it with the slot and pushing it down until the clips click back into place. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is securely in place, replace the back panel, ensuring it clicks into position, and reinsert the screws. Finally, plug in your device and power it on. Check if everything is running smoothly and that the performance has improved. To prevent such issues in the future, consider upgrading your RAM sooner rather than later, and regularly check the health of your hard drive. Keeping your software updated and performing regular maintenance can also help prolong the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.